What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. So finally after a long time Google have made changes in the Google Dialer UI, and in this video we'll show you guys what all changes Google have done with the Google Dialer when it comes to UI. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here you can see we have two phones towards the left hand side. This is my Oneplus 9 and towards the right hand side this is my Oneplus 10 Pro. And Oneplus smartphones have also started getting the UI changes in the Google Dialer application. Guys, before moving ahead, I would request everyone to kindly show some support, pause the video and read the content which is appearing on the screen. And I request everyone to retweet my tweet to support me and my family. One single retweet can make a huge difference. So it's a humble request. Do retweet my tweet and support TechieBee family. Okay, now let's talk about the dialer itself. So let me show you the app version right now. So if I long press and go to app info, here you can see on both the devices I am running version 9.0. It's the same version which is being installed on both these smartphones. I'll give you the APK link in the description below. You guys can download the APK, and it is not 100% confirmed that you guys will get the new UI of Google Dialer after installing this APK, because here you can see we have two phones on which both the applications are same. I mean to say the app version, but my OnePlus 9 is having older UI and my OnePlus 10 Pro is having newer UI. But if you install this APK with the upcoming beta builds, you might get the newer UI of Google Dialer. Also, let me show you the software versions of both these phones. So both the phones are running on Oxygen OS 13. And guys, I have applied same wallpaper on both these phones because most of the Google apps now adapts to the wallpaper color. So first, talking about, if you long press on the APK, here you don't get to see any change. We have similar stuff like app info and option to remove the APK. So let's open up the Google Dialer application. Here also you guys won't see any kind of changes. The changes which are made with related to Google Dialer is in terms of calling UI, and I do like the new calling UI. And talking about Dialer also, it's quite similar, but here you'll see a noticeable difference in the icon of Google Meet, or you can say Google Duo. This is the only difference what you guys gonna see here. Rest other in the settings we don't have any change. I've checked out almost every setting which is present with Google Dialer application. There are no changes done. So the changes what they have done are only related to the calling UI. I have all the screenshots. Let me show you and we'll compare side by side. First, talking about the incoming call change. So here if you see the incoming call notification with the previous or the older Google Dialer, we used to only see colored text. So decline in red color and answer in green color. Also, the contact image used to appear towards the right hand side, but that's not the case with the newer dialer. Now we get to see the contact image towards the left side, just in front of the contact name. And also on the newer dialer, now we do get the color filled pill for answer and decline option. Colors are similar, which is green and red. And soon you pick up the call, we do get the option of disconnect the call, again within filled color pill which is in red. But here if you see on the previous Google Dialer, we used to get only two options, which is hang up and turn on speakers. But now we have one additional option directly from the pop-up menu which says mute. So one additional option have been added here with the newer dialer, and rest remains same. Both of them adapts to the wallpaper color. And if we talk about the incoming call UI on the full screen, so here we don't see much of difference. Everything remains exactly same. If you have the contact image, that should appear on the center of the screen. So this remains exactly same when you are getting a call in full screen mode. And now talking about the UI change while making a call. So this is the older UI. You can see towards the left hand side, wherein we had all the options in the center of the screen. But on newer UI, you can see there are changes done. All the options have been moved towards the bottom side, and now we do have a different background for these options, and which adapts to the wallpaper color, which wasn't the case on previous version of Google Dialer. So by default, you will get only 4 options. One is more, speaker, mute and keypad. But here we had almost every option. To access more options, we had to slide towards the right side. But here in the newer dialer, you just have to tap on more, and that will give you all other options which are present on the Google Dialer. For example, record and add call. And as said, now we have a good segregation between the foreground and background. We get to see this different background depending on the colors of the wallpapers or the wallpaper you are using. So guys, these are some of the changes what you guys gonna notice with the new Google Dialer. And which dialer you like? Do you prefer the older one or the newer one? Let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. And also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.